So today you're just going to purely learn how to remove the rear wheel from a Kawasaki ZX10R SuperBike. It's a big job.
So what you're going to do is you're going to undo that lock nut, just crack it off, undo it, pull up, lefty loosey. Go downwards then. Which way works? Yeah, cool. So you've cracked it off, okay. Then you're going to put a little squirt of the BDX on the threads, just to help you along. And then try and get that nut as far along as you can. Doesn't have to be all the way, but get it moving. Every time that nut comes forward, it makes it much better for us to be able to put the adjuster in. Yeah, you happy? Is that all we're going to get? Cool. As long as you're happy, then take your spanner into the bolt and make the bolt go into the chassis, into the swing arm. So find out which way it goes and then wind it into the swing arm. There. I'm on it. I'm on it. There you go. Do what I did. And then do the same on the other side. Okay. Might want to put something under the chain. So it didn't fuck up the carpet. And put it the other side.
It's a lot easier if there's two of you doing it, but if there's only yourself, is a difficult job, but very lucky to be working on a superbike. So I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching. Go coffee.